Every day, modern factories produce millions of delicious hot dogs using advanced automation, strict hygiene standards, and precision.
This advanced hot dog factory combines automation, food safety, and precision manufacturing to produce premium hot dogs. Every premium hot dog begins with carefully selected ingredients, including chilled lean meat, natural seasonings, spices, and ice. Computer-controlled weighing systems measure every ingredient with extreme precision to create a perfectly balanced hot dog recipe.
Industrial grinders transform chilled ingredients into a consistent ground sausage mixture, creating the foundation for premium hot dogs. Inside powerful vacuum mixers, the ground sausage mixture is blended, with premium seasonings and ice to create the smooth texture that make the ground sausage mixture enters a high-speed bowl cutter where precision blades create the smooth emulsion that gives every hot dog its signature texture.
The finished hot dog emulsion has an exceptionally smooth texture, ensuring every sausage has the same quality and consistency. Vacuum technology removes trapped air from the hot dog emulsion, producing a denser texture and improving final product quality.
Food-grade casings are automatically loaded onto the stuffing machines, preparing the next stage of hot dog production. The smooth hot dog emulsion is continuously filled into food-grade casings, creating perfectly uniform sausages. High-speed linking machines twist every hot dog into perfectly equal portions for consistent size and appearance.
Robotic handling systems automatically arrange hot dog sausages onto smokehouse racks without manual contact.
Automated systems transfer hot dog sausages into computer-controlled smokehouses for the next stage of production. Inside the smokehouse, carefully controlled wood smoke develops the rich aroma, flavor, and color of premium hot dogs.
After smoking, the hot dog sausages are gently steam-cooked to achieve the perfect internal temperature and texture.
Freshly cooked hot dog sausages are rapidly cooled to preserve quality, improve food safety, and prepare them for packaging. After cooling, the freshly cooked hot dog sausages move to the automated packaging department, where advanced inspection and sealing systems prepare.
For skinless hot dogs, specialized machines gently remove the outer casing. This preserves the smooth surface and uniform shape. Filtered warm air gently dries the surface of each hot dog, preparing it for high-quality vacuum packaging. Artificial intelligence inspects every hot dog for color, size, shape, and surface quality before packaging begins.
Precision cutting systems trim every hot dog to the exact length required for consistent packaging and presentation. Every batch of hot dogs is automatically counted and weighed to ensure consistent package contents. Premium hot dog sausages are vacuum sealed to preserve freshness, flavor, and shelf life during transportation and storage.
Modified atmosphere packaging helps keep hot dogs fresh by protecting quality throughout the cold chain.
Every package of hot dogs receives complete traceability information, ensuring food safety from factory to customer.
High-speed robots organize vacuum-packed hot dogs into shipping cartons for safe and efficient distribution.
Industrial robots stack cartons of hot dogs with perfect precision, preparing every shipment for cold storage.
Packaged hot dogs are stored inside temperature-controlled warehouses to maintain freshness before nationwide distribution.
Every shipment of vacuum-packed hot dogs is carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks, ensuring the cold chain remains intact from the factory to supermarkets. Vacuum-packed premium hot dogs are loaded into refrigerated trucks. The cold chain is maintained to preserve freshness during transportation. Temperature-controlled transportation keeps premium hot dogs fresh while they travel from the factory to supermarkets across the country. Regional distribution centers organize thousands of premium hot dog packages before they are delivered to supermarkets and retail stores.
Premium hot dogs arrive at supermarkets, where refrigerated displays keep every package fresh until customers are ready to enjoy them.
Advanced automation, precision manufacturing, and strict food safety standards ensure every premium hot dog delivers outstanding.
Thank you for discovering how premium hot dogs are made. Subscribe to Mega Factory Universe and join us for more incredible journeys